Hey everybody, welcome back to the channel. My name is Todd Coons, and on this channel I do all kinds of things photography. I love photography. I've been a photographer for a long time, and I do stuff in the studio, I do stuff on location. We talk about a whole bunch of different things. If you've never been here before, welcome to the channel. If you've been here before, thanks for coming back and watching. I appreciate it. And just like that, I lost audio. If you are a professional videographer, you have my utmost respect. Audio alone takes this whole creative thing to a whole nother level, just crazy. I have fought with audio over the years, and today my mic just died on me, and it's my own fault. There's no problem with the mics themselves. I just let them go dead and didn't realize they weren't working. It seemed like they were lighting up. But I want to try to salvage this video because I did a couple of neat shots here in the studio of some new pairs of shoes that I bought. Here's one of them. And if I had audio, I would have explained that when I buy something new, sometimes I take it as an opportunity to create a portfolio piece. So before I wear the shoes, I'm going to take a product shot of the shoes for my portfolio. I did a lot of time lapse in this video, so I think that the audio won't play as big a deal. So I'm going to try to salvage this, do the best I can. I know I caught the audio problem at the end, so I'll wrap the whole thing up, and hopefully this video won't completely stink. But if I don't talk to you again too much before the end of this video, leave me a comment or a question or whatever. But I appreciate you guys watching as always. Thanks so much. Enjoy what I can salvage of this video. Okay guys, I got the initial setup. Fuji X-T4, 80mm macro lens. I say it all the time. Absolutely love this lens for product photography. Got the setup, simple, industrial kind of looking backdrop for it to sit on. Godox AD100 in an Octabox. I've got the egg carton grid on here. I wasn't sure if I would like the reflection in the shoe, because the shoe's kind of shiny, but in the initial shot you can't see it, so we'll see if we leave it there or not. TV in the background, got to flip that on here in a second and we'll balance the two out. I need some fill cards, maybe a second light, but initial shot looks pretty good. Okay, I think the fill card helps a lot. I'm going to get a second light in here and then get the TV on. I also have to prep the shoe. I haven't styled it or made sure the laces were doing what I needed to do, and it's still got that tag on it. So just wanted to get the basics of the lighting in, and I think we got it. I think it's there already. realized that my microphone was running out of charge. So I apologize if I lost some of the audio on those last couple of clips. But if I did, I haven't listened to it yet, so I'm not exactly sure. But what I was saying was that when I was at Cabela's shooting, we used to show the sole of the shoe because we would shoot hiking boots and things like that where the tread of the shoe was important. So in this case, I ended up doing that. The tread was kind of an important feature of the shoe, and plus I thought it made the composition of the image look kind of nice. And so that's why I did that. Now, I'm happy with the shots. They were fun. They were, you know, I've never done the screen as my background before, and I thought it worked pretty well. I think if I did it for a client, obviously I would do my own photograph, and I would pick a specific photograph and have it back there the entire time. Here I was just waiting for the next image to come through and hoping it would be a good image. And I think I got a couple that really kind of work. So fun shoot. Happy with the results. We'll put one or two of them on the my website, and you know, we'll definitely put it on Instagram and say, hey, look what we're doing in the studio. So let me know what you think. Comments, questions, complaints. As always, I love hearing from you guys. And if you got any tips to doing the screen in the background, let me know that too. Maybe you guys have played with that. As always, love to hear from you guys. So if you haven't subscribed, think about subscribing. I would appreciate that. Leave me a thumbs up if you would. And as always, I will see you guys in the next video.